Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, how to say Italian, the language, in Hebrew. So, Italian in Hebrew is Italkit. Italkit. All of a sudden, we have here the sound of K. K. Yes. Italkit. 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 Unfortunately, non parlo italiano. I don't speak Italian, but hopefully one day I will. Until then, אני לא מדברת איטלקית. אני לא מדברת איטלקית. And if I were a man, I would have said, אני לא מדבר איטלקית. אני לא מדבר איטלקית. But I'm a woman, so I'm saying, אני לא מדברת איטלקית. All I know is a few words that I picked up because I watch operas, Italian operas. So, vendetta, arrivederci, ti amo. You know, such a wonderful language. So one day. And until then, להתראות בקרוב, להתראות בסרטון הבא.